Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. If you just stopped by, I would be more than happy if you click on the subscribe button and join the family. Today I'm participating in a challenge called as Pink and Glam Baubles DIY challenge, and the host for this challenge is Shule from My Style, My Colors, and the co-host is Style with Pat, and her name is Pat, and they both are amazing creators and they decorate with all beautiful colors like pink and glam. And so if you haven't already been to their channel, I'll leave the link in the description box and also the playlist of all the participants. So as we talked about, the challenge today is Pink and Glam Baubles DIY challenge. So this is one of the mirror that I created from Dollar Tree products, and this is one of the Dollar Tree round mirror, and I stuck a lot of carnations. It's light pink and white and also pink roses, and I stuck that with silver ribbon. So I'm going to glam this mirror using this pink baubles, and this is actually a string light that I got from Five Below and it was already there in my house. So I'm going to decorate this baubles around this mirror, and they glow there. So they look so pretty when they glow. So I'm going to decorate, and yeah, let's start. final result of the project. I stuck all the pink baubles string lights around the mirror, flower mirror, and then I turned the lights on. They're so beautiful with all lit up. And yeah, I thoroughly enjoyed working this project. I hope you also enjoyed working along with me. So yeah, let me know your thoughts on this. Which one do you like, and do you have any suggestions that you want to actually throw towards my channel? That would be great. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing, and click on the bell icon for me if you want to see more videos like this when I upload. And yeah, thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.